going to show you how to install IQ option robot via Windows operating system. I try to show you that I can install it on Windows 7 also. I do this on VirtualBox, but I coding this on Windows 10. So after you receive our software, you just click extract zip file, and after that click inside the folder and double click on the IQ option.exe. First of all, you need to configure your password of IQ option. If you don't enter it or enter it wrong, it will show like invalid password. So first step, you need to enter your valid password. Click it again. Now it's working.